Okay, so this is it's a tough question, isn't it? I mean, it's a very, very tough question, but I guess if I had lost everything and had to start over again, the first thing I would think about is, see, I'm an entrepreneur, right? I work for myself. That's what I do. That's how I'm doing everything that I'm doing. So the first thing that I would think about is, what is my skill, right? I think about, what is my skill? What can I do? What can I provide? What am I good at? Now, if you have a hard time to find what your skill is, or if you're not sure about what your specific skill is, then just go through the AOE courses, and your skill would be to get products up on Amazon, right? So if you're having trouble finding a skill, just do that and go through all the AOE modules, and guess what? You know more than 99.9% of people on how to get products up on Amazon. Then what I would do is, what I'd probably do is, I would know, okay, look, that's my skill. I know how to get products up onto Amazon. I'd probably go to some markets, and I'd probably contact some brand owners that are not on Amazon, and I'd contact them and I'd tell them about my skill, and you can use me as a reference. And what I'll do is, I'll actually offer to put their websites on Amazon for free. Right? I'd offer to put their products on Amazon for free, and every time we sold one, I would get a click on the ticket, right? So maybe I make 5% of their profits, or 10% of the revenue, whatever it is, but I'd offer to do it for free for them, and get them onto Amazon. So I think that's probably what I would do. I'm sure a lot of people will do different things, but I think that's probably the easiest way to get something up as quickly as possible. If you had $0 and you're starting from complete scratch, is to go through the modules one weekend, contact some businesses, tell them about your skill and what you're doing, and the group that you're a part of, and then basically offer to put their products onto Amazon for nothing, and use their images, use their listing content, get the products into FBA, or you can even do it FBM initially if they have a distribution network, and then make some sales and go as wide as you can. Get as many products as you can up there, and go from there. So that's probably what I would do, mate. If I was in a situation of losing everything and starting over, I think that would be the quickest way of getting up and running, back onto Amazon, making some money, saving some of that money, and then getting into my own products again. So that's what I would do, Kerry.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.